So this is a chainsaw trimmer. So before each use, we should check the oil, and the oil, we lift the flap, and there's an oiler bottle. Right now you see the oil is it's plenty of oil. It has plenty of oil, but we if we need to fill it up, because we just filled it. Focus here. We open up the tip a little bit. We stick the tip in, and we squeeze the bottle without overfilling. When we're done, we close this, put the oiler away, and close the oiling flap. Once this is done, we're ready to roll. There's a slider button here that we slide back so it opens. I found it easier to slide it, once it's open, to slide it back into closed position so it doesn't close accidentally. Okay? And then we just take the battery from the charger, slide it out, slide it in here, and we're ready to go. And the way to operate it is...
You're too close. Okay.
The way to operate it, you have to press on both buttons at the same time. It goes like this. Oh, you know, so after use you might want to do this outside to throw out the shavings.
Yes.
Okay, so after use we're cutting the branches like this. After use, you see, I found out what we need to do. We do this to shake off, close it, slide the bottom, slide it back into locked. Now it's locked. Press the release button on the battery, slide the battery, put it in the charger. That's it.